Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm making some sorrel drink, guys. Getting in the Christmas spirit. Take a look at this price. Can you imagine how expensive sorrel is? Huh? I bought this. This is a Jamaican brand last minute, and you know they hike up the price, but it's okay. We're not gonna watch that. We are going to make sorrel drink. As you can see, the pot is over here. The water is boiling. I have my big chunk of ginger here, guys. So I need to peel this. This is my peeler, and as you can see, this is organic. All right. So if you are wondering what is sorrel, sorrel is another name for hibiscus, and we usually do this drink, make this drink for Christmas, especially in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. I don't know about any other place, but this is very popular during the Christmas time. All right. So today we are going to make uh this drink. If you look over here, I have my big ninja blender, and I will be making the sorrel drink in a whole nother way, guys. I'm actually going to be boiling my sorrel. First of all, I need to wash it, peel my ginger, cut it up with some cinnamon, and you will see. Just stay tuned. So actually, I didn't even measure anything, guys. Just go ahead and, put any amount of sorrel you want. I don't think there's, any measurement needed. So right now, I just pretty much pour my sorrel in this nice little strainer that I have here, and I'm just now washing it. You always want to wash your food, guys. As you can see, some of the red color is coming out already. This is just the hibiscus or the sorrel. That's the natural color. So actually, I'm just washing with some warm water. All right. So I just want to show you how I go about peeling my ginger. So I have my peeler here, and all I'm doing is just pretty much peeling off the skin of my ginger, just like this. All right. You can also use a knife, but this is more you're gonna get it done more faster doing it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish peeling the ginger, and I'll come on back. My water is over here. So my water is over here, guys, on the fire. It's boiling, and I have my ginger here all washed, all peeled and washed. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my hammer to kind of beat it like this, just like that. I can release all that flavor that you're looking for. So now I'll take my knife and go ahead and cut it into small pieces. All right. So it's up to you the amount of ginger that you would want to put in yours. The more ginger, as the more harsh it's going to be, because ginger on a whole is very, it's almost like pepper. So it's up to you. I don't want to overpower my sorrel drink with ginger, so I'm just gonna be very moderate about the amount I put in it, and I think this is enough. All right. So if we're talking about hybrid, it might not be too harsh. But if you're using the real organic ginger, you got to be very careful, because one little piece of it, hey, will just spoil your whole pot of sorrel. All right, so I'm going to keep it at this for now. If I feel like I need some more, I will go ahead and put it. But right, take a look, guys. My water is boiling with my ginger. And now I'm going to put my sorrel right on in, just like this. So I'm going to leave that there for just like maybe 10 minutes to allow the ginger and the sorrel to kind of seep. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my blender, crush and all, and I'm gonna try to just blend it all out. So let's give this 10 minutes or so, guys. Let the ginger and the sorrel mingle and give off their own unique flavor. If you are new here, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. Those of you already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Wrote 1K subscriber. Thanks guys for always coming to watch my video. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. So as you can see, this is what is going on right here. Look how rich and nice this is looking, guys. This is sorrel, otherwise called hibiscus. Very popular in the Caribbean islands like Jamaica. It's a big thing, especially in Christmas. This is what people be drinking right now in Jamaica. This is very expensive, like over here in the US. Expensive because you know we don't really grow it here. I don't think so. All right, so we're gonna leave this alone, let it do its thing. So guys, the sorrel is all done, cooled down and everything. And as you can see, guys, look at the nice, vibrant red color, right? So this is a whole big batch. And I'm going to go ahead now and blend everything together in my big ninja blender over here. All right, so stay tuned. Here is a piece of the ginger. Ginger and the sorrel all infused. So like I said, I boiled this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then I allow it to cool down. Now that my sorrel is all cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Okay. So I have my blender right here. This is my new Ninja Deluxe. And let's see how well of a job this blender going to be doing. All right, so here we go. This is my first cup and I'm just putting in my blender. See, the trash and everything is there. The trash, the ginger, everything is going in. All right, so let's, I think I can put one more cup. This is a very big blender, guys. How many ounces? 80 ounces or 10 cups. This blender can hold. Brand new. All right. I'm gonna put my cover on, lock it in place. So as you can see, I just want to show you my blender settings. So right now I have it on smoothie. All right, if I want to go higher, then I'll go to my right, high, medium, low. So I want to start it off on medium. All right, and let's begin. So this is a blender that can just, it's automatic. I don't even have to do nothing. Okay guys, check this out. All blended, crushed out. You're not gonna believe this. I just want to take some up out the blender and show you. Take a look at this, all crushed out. This is a very powerful blender, guys. So this batch is all done and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of, strain it a little. So over here, I have my big bad boy strainer right here, and I'm gonna just pour it out in and strain a little. Right. Take a look at this big chopper right inside there. This is the big chopper for my blender. I wanted to pay attention to see how well this blender has done chopping up the sorrel pulp and everything, guys. Amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna use my spoon here and just try to help the juice to come out a little faster. Guys, I just finished straining with my strainer, and this is the amount that I got. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use I'm gonna restrain. So I have this thin piece of material, and I'm gonna restrain using that. All right, so because I want to get everything out. I'm smelling the ginger really strong. So I'm gonna continue doing this, and I will show you the finished look. So now I'm taking my hands to squeeze the juice out of the material, and I think this is very effective. See, it's coming out. It was a little difficult to, get everything out through the strainer because this is so thick. The juice is not watery. But remember, I blended it. I didn't put much water in it. Thin piece of material, like curtain material, and it's doing a very good job of extracting the juice. So here we go, guys, all done, and this is what it's looking like so far. Usually I love to drink my, juice, whatever, all natural, no sugar added, but boy, with this sorrel, very tart. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some sugar in it, not too much, just to bring up the taste because it's somewhat sour. All right. As you can see, I'm putting about half a cup of sugar. You can put as much sugar as you like. As for me, I don't like things too sweet. So, but I can tell you, this is a good ginger. The ginger is very strong. It's not organic, but it's strong. Yes, guys, so you can drink this as is without sugar, but like I said, it's very sour, kind of tarty like cherry. so you really need to get the taste up, but this is optional. So right now I use brown sugar. I don't really use white sugar. This is brown sugar. So I want to give it a taste to see if this is okay in terms of taste, guys. Now I want to transfer over to my nice picture over here, guys. Take a look. Look how nice, rich, and vibrant that is looking. Huh? This is sorrel, guys, otherwise called hibiscus. Very nice. Let's add some over here. Drink this over some ice, guys, and you have the most refreshing, nutritious drinks that you could ever ask for. Sorrel. So let me pour myself a glass for Christmas. And there you have it, guys. Nice, rich sorrel. So I'm gonna pop some ice in it and just have a nice evening with my family. Sorrel. Thanks for watching. My name is Bean Sonia Williams. Those of you that are new to my channel, thanks a lot. Thanks for stopping by. And those of you already subscribed, those of you that already subscribed, thanks a lot. Really, really appreciate it. This is your sorrel drink, guys. Straight from my kitchen to your kitchen.